Truman! Hey, good boy. We're training Kili and Truman in preparation for the show at Ginger's house. And they're just getting them excited and ready to train in the morning. Thing is, they're used to training in the evening New York time. And we switched their whole schedule up on them, and now they gotta do the show in the morning and at Arizona time. All right, go back to perch. Good. Kili! Good bird, very good. Good perch. Kili really likes that Boeing that Ginger has hanging here. Now we're gonna call Truman again. Truman! Good boy, Truman. Very good. Good perch. Truman! Good boy. Very good. Good perch. Good. Kili! Good bird. Very good. Hello. Hi. Go to perch. Kili, go to perch. Good. Gonna call Truman again. Truman! Someone's excited, huh? Someone's really excited. Good perch. Boomerang. Good boy. Very good. Good perch. Kili! Good bird. Hello. Nod. Shake. Hello. Wings. 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 Don't be cheap. Wave. Wings. Come on. Wings. Good. Good perch. Good bird. Truman. Good. Wave. Wings. Good. Get a perch. Hey. Go fetch. Kili, go fetch. Go fetch. Go fetch. Good bird. Whenever I'm training the parrots at home or in preparation for a show, I try to get them to do stuff that's harder and more complicated than what I'll do at the show. So at home we practice tricks where she has to fly up from the floor and to put them on tables. It's good exercise, and it's more difficult than what we're doing at the show. So it's easier for her to focus with easier tricks at the show. Kili, good perch. Good perch. Good. Truman. Good boy. Shake. Wave. Wings. Good. Up. Good perch. Why do all the work when it's for her benefit? Good. Kili! Kili! Good bird. Good perch. Good. Truman! Good perch. It's a really useful skill to be able to call your parrot down from tall places. Kili! Good bird. Good perch. Yeah, you want to go down the slide? Kili, go down the slide. Good bird. There you go. Okay, go down the slide again. Bang! Truman! Hey, good boy, very good. All right, good perch. Truman! Yay, Truman! Good boy. Another one. Kili! Good bird. Very good. Good. Hello. All right, ready? Hey! Truman! Good boy. Very good. Good perch. Kili! Good bird. Yay! You go through the slinky. No. Go through the slinky. Good bird. Flip! Flip! Kili, flip! Good. Up. Good perch. Good. All right, Truman. Go through two. Good bird. Up. All right, now we're going to rehearse some boomerang flights with Truman before the big show. All right, Truman, ready? Boomerang. Good boy. Very good. Boomerang. Good. Let's do one the other way. Ready? Whoa. Boomerang. Good job. Good thinking on the fly, buddy. Boomerang. Good job, Truman. You see how this is tough practice because he's got to circumnavigate the stands and the lights and all this unfamiliarity and come right back to me.